Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Today's topic is past continuous tense. Past continuous tense is as easy as present continuous tense. The slight difference between the past continuous and present continuous is just helping verbs, the change of helping verbs. The remaining structure is same as if the past continuous and present continuous. The recognition of past continuous tense is रहा था, रहे थे, रही थी वगैरह. Now affirmative sentences, how would we change affirmative sentences of past continuous tense? Subject plus was, were, fourth form of verb plus object. Just form of verb is changed from present continuous tense. Was is used with he, she, it and singulars. Were is used with they, you, we and plurals. वो तेज दौड़ रहा था. वो he is a subject. Was is as its singular. Running fast, he was running fast. Now see, in present continuous there is raha hai, rahi hai, rahe hai and is rm is used. In past continuous raha tha, rahe the and the helping verb was, were is used. The remaining subject and fourth form is remains the same, the structure remains the same, just helping verb are changed. तुम कहानी सुना रहे थे. You were telling a story. वो अपनी गाड़ी बेच रहे थे. They were selling their car. We used were with you. They is plural, so we used were. And as you know, fourth form is first form of verb plus ing. वो सख्त रो रही थी. She was weeping bitterly. कुत्ता रात को भौंक रहा था. The dog was barking at night. Now the negative sentence is subject plus was not, were not plus fourth form plus object. Was not will be used with he, she and singular. Were not will be used with they, you, we and plurals. चपरासी घंटी नहीं बजा रहा था. The peon was not ringing the bell. लड़का सवाल नहीं हल कर रहा था. The boy was not solving the sum. हम एक साथ सफ़र नहीं कर रहे थे. We were not traveling together. असलम क्रिकेट नहीं खेल रहा था. असलम was not playing cricket. लड़के गीत नहीं गा रहे थे. The boys were not singing songs. पानी की सतह बुलंद नहीं हो रही थी. The water level was not rising. Now interrogative sentences. Was, were, subject plus fourth form plus object. Was, were will become in the beginning of the sentence, and if there is WH question or question words come before was, were. As I told you before, WH question are question words. WH questions are why, when, where, what. These are question words, so question words come before was and were. क्या वो खेलों में हिस्सा ले रहा था? Was he taking part in the games? क्या आप सर्दी से कांप रहे थे? Were you shivering with cold? क्या वो शहर को खूबसूरत बना रहे थे? Were they making the city beautiful? वो क्यों पैदल चल रहे थे? Why were they walking on foot? So see, it's a question word, it's WH question, so we add WH question in the beginning of the sentence, then were, and then subject, fourth form of verb and object. मैं आसमान की तरफ कब देख रहा था? When I was looking at the sky. So it's very easy. You just have to keep in mind the change of helping verbs. Your homework for today is translate the following sentences. हम गहरी नींद सो रहे थे. बच्चे शोर मचा रहे थे. उसका भाई मिल में काम कर रहा था. बारिश हो रही थी. लोग पतंग उड़ा रहे थे. घोड़े खेत में चर रहे थे. वो तैरकर दरिया पार कर रहे थे. मैं आपसे मजाक कर रहा था. हुकूमत इसको रिहा नहीं कर रही थी. ताजर घर वापस नहीं आ रहा था. किसान फसल नहीं काट रहे थे. तालिब इल्म किश्ती नहीं चला रहे थे. मैं किताब से नकल नहीं कर रहा था. नौकर फर्नीचर को नहीं झाड़ रहा था. वो अपने भाई को नहीं मार रहा था. क्या तुम बालों में कंघी कर रहे थे? क्या वो आग जला रहे थे? तुम्हारा भाई हाथ किसको लिख रहा था? शेर कहाँ से पानी पी रहा था? वो जंगल से कब गुजर रहे थे? आपके बारे में कौन पूछ रहा था? वो तस्वीर कैसे बना रहे थे? कितने आदमी बाग में जमा हो रहे थे? बस पर पत्थर कौन फेंक रहा था? लोग किसका इंतज़ार कर रहे थे? क्या मजदूर काम मुकम्मल कर रहे थे? This is your homework. First you have to separate simple sentences, then negative sentences, then interrogative sentences, and you have to translate them. It's very easy. You will have to keep in mind the change of helping verbs, so it will be more easy for you to learn. We'll continue with present perfect tense by tomorrow, inshallah. Take care. Have a nice day. Allah Hafiz.